Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Matkam English Academy, where English is fun and easy. Good. Today, we're learning feeling words, words that tell how we feel inside. Are you ready? Let's go. Every day we feel something. Happy, sad, tired, excited. But do you know more words to describe your feelings? Let's learn some. 1. Excited. When you can't wait for something, like your birthday, you feel excited. Example, I'm excited to go on vacation. 2. Angry. When something makes you upset or mad, you feel angry. Example, he was angry when he lost the game. 3. Sad. When you feel unhappy, you're sad. Example, she felt sad when her friend moved away. 4. Proud. When you feel happy about what you did, you're proud. Example, I'm proud of my good marks in English. 5. Scared. When you feel afraid, you're scared. Example, the little boy was scared of the dark. 6. Curious. When you want to know or learn more, you're curious. Example, I'm curious about how airplanes fly. 7. Calm. When you feel peaceful and relaxed, you're calm. Example, the teacher spoke in a calm voice. Quick quiz. Okay, let's test you. I'll show you a picture. You guess the feeling word. Ready? Picture of a smiling person. Yes, happy. Picture of someone afraid. Correct. Scared. Picture of a proud student. Excellent. Proud. Great job, everyone! You learned amazing feeling words today. Practice them in your daily conversations. Tell people how you feel using these new words. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Matkam English Academy for more fun English lessons. See you in the next video, and stay curious and excited.